Hello, kids. This is Teacher Ed. Now we will answer your workbook. So get your workbook and then open your workbook to the page 39, and then we will answer until the page 46. All right. Okay, so now I will start teaching you how to answer those questions. So now you need to listen. Okay, let's move on. Mhm. Still loading. Okay, Science 1 workbook. Okay, page 39 to 46. Okay, let's move on. So the page 49 or page 39 is this. Okay, materials. So what you need to do here is you can see the four objects, correct? The first one is plastic file. Again, plastic file. Pen, chopsticks, bracelet. Okay? So now there are two boxes. The first box is flexible. Flexible, it means you can bend. All right? Not flexible, it means cannot bend. Cannot bend. All right? That's why you need to group them. So plastic file, can we bend it or no? Pen, chopsticks, or bracelet. So Teacher Ed will give you an answer. So plastic file is included in flexible because plastic file, you can bend it. Okay? You can bend the plastic file. Next, in number 2, all right, page 40, we just need to check, okay, the box after the image or the picture. For example, bowl or the bowl. Bowl, you need to check if it is hard. If it is waterproof, check. Can be bent? I think no. So, the bowl, you can go ahead and just check the hard box. You can check the waterproof box. But no, can be bent box. Okay? Because a bowl, you cannot bend it. Bend. Alright? Very good. So you can do the same thing with rubber boots. Is it hard? Is it waterproof? Can be bent? The pillow, hard? Is it hard? Is it waterproof? Can be bent? Metal key, is it hard? Waterproof? Can be bent. So you just need to check and not check if it is not included on that box. So the next one, okay, properties of materials. Okay, so you just need to make a line. All right, make a line from the picture to the material column. This is the column. Okay, the first column object, the second column material, the third column is property. In the object column, you have pictures: baby bottle, gloves, handkerchief, scissors, and then boat. So Teacher Ed will give you an example on how to answer this. For example, Teacher Ed will answer the boat. So the boat is made of what material? Wood. The boat is made of wood. So after the wood, what is wood? What is the property of wood? Is it strong? Is it elastic? Does it break easily? Is it absorbs water when you pour the water? Is it absorbs the water? Not waterproof? Or floats in the water? So Teacher Ed gave you the answer. Would float in the water. Okay? The boat and the water. This is the boat, correct? So the boat will not sink down the water because the wooden boat is at the top of the water. Look, okay? So floats in the water. The boat floats in the water. All right. So you just need to make a line. And then the next page, number 1. Which words can be used to describe this pair of objects? So this pair has 2 pictures, correct? So the first picture is rock. Rock that is what? Not good in shape. It has spikes. And the second picture, it is a rock as well, but it is good. It is what? Smooth. So now, what is the best sentence to describe this? Letter A. Is it flexible and not flexible? Letter B. Is it rectangular and circular? Letter C. Is it rough and smooth? Again, letter C. Is it rough and smooth? Or letter D, stretchable and not stretchable. Okay? So number 2, which material is suitable for making a wall around a house? If you are building a wall like this at my back, the wall in the house, are you going to use plastic, paper, fabric, or brick? Okay? When you build a house, band, what are you going to use? Brick, fabric, plastic, or paper? Number 3, which property correctly describes the pillow? Do you know the pillow? The one that I showed you? That is so soft. Okay? The pillow. It is hard. Is it hard? Is it stretchable? It is soft, the pillow, or it is waterproof. Okay, next. Number 4. How are a vase and a coin similar? Similar. Letter A. They can be bent. The vase can be bent. The coin can be bent. Letter B. They are hard. Hard. Letter C. They have the same shape. Same shape. Letter D. They are smooth. The vase is smooth and the coin, I don't know if it is smooth. Okay? So number 5. Which of the following belongs to the same group as the objects below? Okay? So these 2 objects, okay, this is a pair of socks. Okay? I will charge your laptop. Okay. So again, this is a pair of socks. And then this, you can stretch it. All right? So now, what things here in A, B, C, or D, the same with this? Munkan. Is it A is same or munkan with these pictures? Is it letter B, munkan with the same pictures? Is it C, the same pictures with this? Or D, the same pictures with this? Munkan. Any D, munkan? C, B, or A? You choose. All right. Number 6. Number 6 is, look at the group below. Group A and Group B. In Group A, you have glass jug. Okay? And fish tank. Group B, you have key and you have needle. Okay? Now, the question here is, which of the following objects belongs to Group A? Okay, Munkan Group A, same. Is it cardboard, lock, spoon, or window pane? Window. Do you see this? Window, 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 window. Okay? Number 7. Why is paper suitable for folding origami? Okay? Folding, it means fold. Paper, kadat, when you fold. Alright? Fold. Letter A, it absorbs water. Letter B, it can be bent. Bent. Letter C, it does not let the light through. When the light, okay, goes to the paper, it does not let the light through, or it is weak. Okay, like be broken. Again, it absorbs water, it can be bent, it does not let the light shine through, or it is weak, be broken. Okay, next. What are the two materials to make this object? It is easy. Letter A, in column A, we have rubber, plastic, metal, and then rubber. And then it is partner, okay? Rubber and plastic, plastic and metal, metal and rubber, or rubber or metal, okay? In letter A, what is this? Is this rubber and plastic? The letter B is plastic. Is this plastic? Letter B. Is this plastic and this is metal? Letter C. Is this metal and is this rubber? Or letter D. Is this rubber and then metal? So you choose. Number 9. Which characteristics are common to these objects? Okay, these objects, what are the same properties that they have? They tear easily. Tear. All right. Letter B. They can be bent. Letter C. They can be stretched. Or letter D. They absorb water. Okay, when you pour a water, they absorb it. Okay. You answer. Number 10. Which of the objects are made of more than one material? Okay. 2 materials like that, or 3. My 1 material like wood, metal like that. Okay. So which of the things here? Two answers. Okay. 2 answers that made of metal, wood, or cloth, or metal, or plastic. My 1 material, not 1. So is this handkerchief? Letter A. Is this only made cloth and it has metal as well, or no? Letter B. Marble. Marble is like a stone. Is it made of metal, wood, like that? Jacket. Jacket is made of what? Cloth and metal. Letter D, umbrella. Umbrella is made of what? Cloth, metal, and plastic. So you answer, okay? What are the two letters here that has more than 1 materials? All right. Okay, number 11. Name what materials A and B are made of. Okay, so you choose here. Is this rubber or wood? Wood or rubber? Okay, what is this? Letter A. Letter A, is this the rubber? Or you write rubber here. So is this letter B? Is this rubber? So you write here. Is this wood? Or you write here wood. Letter A, is this wood? Or you write here wood. Or rubber, you write here rubber. Okay, so you just choose here, rubber or wood. All right? And then letter B, give a reason why material B is chosen. Penalay, B is chosen because, penalay, why? Because what? Is it can be bent or it can be stretched? or it absorbs water, or it is hard. Okay, so you choose. Number 12, lastly, what are the suitable headings for Group A and B? In Group A, we have metal chair, all right? And we have wooden table. So, you just choose here. Is it soft or hard? The Group A, is it hard or is it soft? Okay. Group B. Group B is caution and stuffed toy, like teddy bear, like that. So, Group B, objects that are what? Soft or hard? Again, soft is like this, like a pillow. Okay, or like this chair. You see this chair? This is soft. All right. Hard. Hard like that. Hard. Okay. And then letter B, name one other object that you can put in Group A. So in Group A, you can add one object, like spoon, like that, okay? That is uh, the same with the properties of metal, chair, and wooden table. All right? So that's it. I hope that you will answer all of that questions. And please ask me, message me in line if you do have more questions. Bye-bye.